how to temporarily deactivate your TikTok account within the desktop browser. In this video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate your TikTok account within the browser on a Mac, PC, Chromebook, anything in a format like this. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, the first thing you need to do is open up a browser, navigate to tiktok.com and log into your account. Once you get logged in, go to the left menu here and select more. If you don't see it, select Profile and then select More. In the menu that appears, select General at the top, and then this will open up the settings. Now we just need to make sure we're on Manage Account, and then go over Find Delete Account and select Delete. As you can see here, they'll give you a brief explanation of what this means. So we can deactivate our account for 30 days before it's deleted. So if you want to deactivate your TikTok account for maybe 2 weeks, all you would need to do is go through the process of deleting your account, but then log back into it after 2 weeks, and your account will be reactivated before it's deleted. So go ahead and select Continue. Enter your TikTok account password. They may ask you to confirm your identity or confirm one more time, but after that, select Delete Account, and then your account will be deactivated for 30 days. Remember, you must log back into it to reactivate it before the 30 days are up so that your account is not permanently deleted. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.